Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change pitch of the voice of our text-to-speech to have a higher pitch in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our text-to-speech voice option and how to change it. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next, in talkback options we have settings. In settings we have text-to-speech settings, and here we have our pitch slider. By default,
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So to make the pitch higher, we simply need to drag it to where we want.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And as you can see, it's very easy to do. No need to save, just back out to the home screen, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.